at a middle size, he stayed his walking, the shining of his in surprise, his hand to hear him talking. Last night I met him on a walk where the yellow dawn was growing. The boy a kindly word he spake that set my heart a-glowing. He kissed and vowed he would be mine, and